This is the Tesla Kid, and today we will be talking about Tesla's earnings call and the new Model X and S refresh. Please smash the like button down below if you're ready to see the Tesla Model S and X refresh. Today was Tesla's earnings call, and they reported revenue of $10,744 million, up 46% from last year, and had a gross profit of $2,066 million, up 49% from last year. The Tesla Model S and X refresh has really blown my mind away. There are two Plaid Model S's, both coming with 3 motors. The first is the Tesla Model S Plaid, and it is $112,990 with a range of 390 miles. Its top speed will be 200 miles per hour, and it will have a 0 to 60 of 1.99 seconds. The Model S Plaid Plus is $132,990 and will have a range of 520 plus miles. It has a top speed of 200 miles per hour and has a 0 to 60 of less than 1.99 seconds. It will be the fastest accelerating production car ever. The Tesla Model S Plaid Plus is a mix of both range and performance, something you will only see in a Tesla. The Plaid Model X comes with 3 motors. It has a price of $113,190 and comes with a range of 340 miles. It has a top speed of 163 miles per hour and has a 0 to 60 of 2.5 seconds, which is the same 0 to 60 as the Bugatti Veyron. The main display on the interior of the Model S and X will be 17 inches compared to the 15 inches in the Model 3 and Y. The driver's display will be 12.3 inches, and there will be a new display in the second row, which will be an 8-inch display. Please comment down below if you are thinking of getting the Tesla Model S or X Plaid versions. We have learned the capacities for Tesla's current factories. The Fremont factory will have a capacity of 100,000 Model S's and Model X's together per year. It will also have a capacity for 500,000 Model 3s and Model Ys together per year. Also, the Shanghai factory will have a capacity of 450,000 Model 3s and Model Ys together per year. The Shanghai factory has sent Model 3s to multiple European, Asian Pacific, and Oceania countries. Please like, share, and subscribe for more about Tesla and electric vehicles.